Wait, hold on. There's a stock that just invested $555 million into the world's largest known uranium deposit, while simultaneously being the planet's biggest copper producer. Owns Olympic Dam, which holds over 2.5 million tons of uranium oxide, making it the single largest uranium resource on Earth. Produces 4,500 tons of uranium annually, accounting for 20% of their mine income. Just announced plans to grow copper production from 1.7 to 2.5 million tons per year, and is positioned perfectly as both a uranium and copper play for the AI data center boom and global energy transition. Trading at $65.61 with a $195 billion market cap, this is the ultimate diversified mining giant. Could this be the safest way to play the uranium supercycle? Before I reveal which mining powerhouse I'm analyzing today, welcome back to Smart Investing. I specialize in finding world-class uranium, copper, and critical mineral stocks positioned for massive growth in the energy transition. If you want exposure to the AI power revolution, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. The company I'm breaking down today is BHP Group Limited, ticker BHP on the NYSE. This is literally the world's largest diversified mining company with a $195 billion market cap, headquartered in Melbourne, Australia. Now, most people know BHP for iron ore and copper. They're the planet's largest copper producer. But here's what flies under the radar. They own Olympic Dam in South Australia, which hosts the world's largest identified uranium deposit. We're talking 2.5 million tons of uranium oxide. That's absolutely massive. Olympic Dam is a polymetallic operation producing copper, uranium, gold, and silver, all from the same mine. It's one of only 3 operating uranium mines in Australia and consistently produces about 4,500 tons of uranium oxide annually, making BHP one of the world's top uranium producers. They just invested $555 million to expand Olympic Dam, with a major expansion decision coming in 2028 that could double smelting capacity. This isn't some junior explorer. This is a blue-chip mining giant with actual uranium production right now. Currently trading at $65.61, analyst consensus sits around $56, with targets ranging from $44 to $68. Now, I know that sounds bearish, but hear me out. Those targets don't fully reflect the recent Olympic Dam expansion announcement or the uranium thesis. The bull case here sees $75 to $85 over 18 to 24 months, driven by copper demand from AI data centers, uranium prices potentially hitting $100 per pound, the Olympic Dam expansion ramping copper to 650,000 tons annually, and growing recognition of BHP's uranium exposure. With copper demand projected to grow 70% by 2050 and uranium entering a structural supply deficit, BHP captures both sides of the clean energy transition. Bear case risks include copper price volatility, any Olympic Dam operational issues, and the stock's valuation already reflecting some growth. Downside could be $50 to $55 if commodity prices weaken significantly. October 2025. BHP announced $555 million investment into Olympic Dam expansion, funding an underground tunnel into the southern mine area, new backfill systems, expanded ore capacity, and a new oxygen plant to boost copper processing. Major expansion decision expected 2028 that could double smelting capacity. December 2025. Olympic Dam produced 316,000 tons of copper in FY 2025, consistently maintaining over 300,000 tons annually for 3 consecutive years. January 2026, JP Morgan raised price target to $68. BHP exploring joint venture with Rio Tinto to extract 200 million tons of Pilbara iron ore. Company signed third renewable power purchase agreement expected to meet 70% of Olympic Dam's electricity needs from renewable sources by 2030. BHP's Olympic Dam holds the world's largest uranium deposit at 2.5 million tons of uranium oxide. That's generational supply. The mine produces 4,500 tons annually, representing 20% of total mine revenue. But here's the kicker. It's primarily a copper operation that happens to produce massive uranium as a byproduct. With copper demand exploding from AI data centers and electric vehicles, and uranium prices surging for nuclear renaissance, BHP captures both megatrends simultaneously. No pure-play uranium company offers this diversification and financial strength. There it is, BHP at $65.61, the world's largest mining company with the planet's biggest uranium deposit at Olympic Dam, a true diversified play on copper and uranium. What's your take? Too big to move significantly, or the safest way to play the energy transition? Drop your thoughts below. If this added value, like and subscribe to Smart Investing.